Hello everyone and welcome to the year 2021, a start of a new decade. By the way, I know that many of you have made some New Year resolutions so far. That what we have to do this year, someone needs to get some more money, someone has to take home, someone has to get a new car, and so much more. Everyone has their own desires. But our purpose of making this video is to explain to you what you can achieve by realizing your life goals. So let's start. Everyone works so that they can take care of themselves and their family and at least to fulfill their basic needs. By basic needs, we mean food, cloth and shelter. But nowadays the internet is also coming in the basic needs. So after completing the basic needs, one can afford a big house, a big car, some expensive clothes and it's according to your wish. Now the question is how these basic needs to be fulfilled, and you all know the answer. Obviously, with money, you work to earn money and to fulfill your needs and desires with the same money. By the way, there was a great difference in between needs and your desires. We will talk in detail about them in another video. But our sole purpose behind making this video is to try to make you understand how some people make a lot of money and why some people are unable to fulfill their basic needs at the same time. After all, we all need to understand that where one is doing the mistake, that those who are earning are increasing their income and those who are not earning well or earning less are getting their income just as to fulfill their basic needs. The answer to all of these is skills. Yes, you heard right, that are skills. If you search on Google, Google will also tell you what is the meaning of skills. And skills means the ability to do something well and expertise. And in easy words, having skills means to do any work in such a great way that no one else can do it better than you. Now let's understand this by an example. If one of your friends solves the maths problems in seconds, then you will obviously tell him that you are a maths expert. Now, we'll talk about how you can use such skills in real life, how you can turn yourself into a better person with all your skills, and with that, how you can fulfill your basic needs with those skills. Let's understand this too with an example. You may have seen, or if you have traveled somewhere, then you must have seen on the street nooks that in the roadsides there are small tea stalls. And when we are traveling, we get to stop somewhere obviously in the roadside and do drink teas too. But if we talk about small tea stalls, which may be outside of your society or on the roadside corners of your house, how much do you think that they would earn in a month? Maybe some 20 to 50,000 rupees maximum. They may have been running the same tea stalls for the years, but you wouldn't have seen much growth in that. On the other hand, he is Mr. Praful Bilore. He is a dropout of MBA who is the India's most iconic famous chaiwala in the past 3 years, and he is so much famous on social media as the MBA chaiwala. And by selling tea only, his turnover is in crores now. But the question here is why a person is earning so little amount that they can only fulfill their basic needs. On the other hand, how a 22-year-old boy is doing crores turnover. Here I wanted to make you understand that the skills are important, but not only skills in doing what you do best is not enough. There are many people who would make better tikkis, means patties, than BTW. Maybe they are more skilled in making tikkis, but BTW not only had the skill to make good patties, but they also had a zeal to expand their business. That is why BTW is a brand today. In a same manner, there will be thousands of people who make better tea than Mr. Praful Bilore, and there are also, but those people are not famous as they are skilled in making but not in promoting and expanding. So, skills of making can be hired, but zeal of expanding is more important, I guess. That is why a person like Jack Ma is a billionaire today without having any important skill in the technology, as he hired skilled people because he was not able to perform some particular things well. And that is why it is more important for anyone to have some skills. Maybe a chaiwala who is probably not educated enough does not know that he must have to develop some skills in himself, or he must have to hire some skilled one to make his business grow. Then only it is possible for him to expand his business gradually. It is possible that he made tasty tea, but if he does not have digital marketing skills or specifically social skills, then of course he will not be able to promote himself much, right? But there is also a situation whether he could make tasty tea for his customers, but if he doesn't have good communication skills, under such situation he could lose his customers because he doesn't know how to talk them. Due to lack of communication skill, he will lose his customers who will probably never go back to him. On the other hand, there was a 22-year-old boy who has better communication skills, which he is using very well, and he hired such skilled people. With those skills, he is making turnovers in crore. The example I had just given you are very basic examples. So if you have understood this, then you can also understand that whether you are doing traditional business or direct selling, to develop your business, you need to use all such skills. So you must learn some skills, or you have to hire some people who have those skills that you need to grow your business, and only then you can make your turnover in crores. Now it is not going to possibly happen in a day or in a month. Maybe it will take 2 or 3 years, but if you develop skills in you, in yourself, then these skills can be used for the lifetime, and you can also have to see those people with an open mind who are really maintaining a quality lifestyle. And you will surely be able to notice and see that those people are definitely having some skills in them which they are expertise in, and this expertism helps them to grow their income. So the tip for all of you in this year 2021 is that you should pay attention in developing your own skills. People who, instead of developing their skills in them, are engaged in shortcuts to earn money from money, and they often eventually loses their hard-earned money which they had. There are lots of skills that one can develop in themselves. For example, communication skills, interpersonal skills, personality development skills, problem solving skills, self-confidence, team management skills, leadership skills, and many more. Now you have to decide what skills you want for your business, so make a list of them and then work on them one by one. The day you will develop such skills in yourself, at that day you will see such a confidence in yourself, and you will be able to see your future clearly, that where I am today and where I can reach with my skills. So this is it for this video. If you want, then you can follow us on our Telegram channel for daily updates, and the link of our Telegram channel is available in the description box of this video. And if you have some questions that are still unanswered, then you can ask us by commenting below in the comment box. And with this, if you like this video and the information, then hit the like button and do share this video with everyone, and especially with those people with whom you wanted to move forward in your business. Soon we will meet again with a new topic, so subscribe to the channel and tap to the bell icon to not miss the very next upload. So this is Divya from Trigunity Academy. See you soon in a very new episode. Till then, goodbye. Take care. Jai Hind.